Hi, this is Kim with the Metabolic Body Reset. We're going to do a spinach mushroom saute today. So you're going to start with 2 tablespoons of olive oil. You can get a small red pepper, bell pepper, and chop it up. I've already done that, so it'll be fine like that. Then a small onion. I don't buy onions when they're small. I just cut off what I need because I'm constantly cooking with them. So eye up what you think is the equivalent of a small onion and chop that up. Then 2 cloves of garlic that are minced or chopped. And you're going to need 14 ounces of mushrooms, white, that are pre-sliced. Rinse them off, have them ready to go. And then you're going to need 10 ounces. I do organic baby spinach. You can do any type of spinach that you have, or if you have it fresh in the garden. And you're going to want to wash and clean that. And then you also have a rough chop, so it's not real tiny, but it's not huge big leaves. You also want to have 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar ready to go. That's going to go towards the end of the recipe. And a 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar that you can go. Salt and pepper will be to taste, that you add at the end. Okay, so let's start. You're going to turn your skillet on. You're going to have that ready to go. And the first thing you're going to start with is your red pepper. Okay, now that you have your ingredients all ready, let's start cooking. First, we're going to put in the olive oil. I've already heated the pan so that it's just warm. Then put in your, put in your chopped up red pepper. And the heat and the oil, you're going to get this nice and soft. And next you're going to add in your small onions that you've cut finely. And this will be about 3 to 4 minutes probably for all these things to mix and get soft together. So just keep stirring them so they don't burn. And then you can spread out your garlic and put that in. And mix them well. Smells good already when you're cooking with fresh ingredients. So if you like these ingredients, you can go heavier or lighter, depending. Like in our family, we're an Italian family, we use garlic almost in everything, so that's a big staple here. Next, you're going to put in your mushrooms. Now, I've pre-washed these so that they were all fresh. Now, this will probably take another 3 to 4 minutes, so I'm cooking these all together. They're going to get soft. And this could be a side dish to your main dinner. You could serve it over top of a salad. On top of it, the wilted spinach and mushrooms. You could double the size and put it over rice and make a different meal like that. It's very versatile. You can decide how you're going to use it. And I think you find when you eat with fresh vegetables and fresh seasonings, you're going to get filled up a lot quicker than processed food. So this will stay with you. It has a good, strong flavor, but it's hearty. So you'll enjoy. And all this is getting nice and tender. So see, everything's softening up and the flavors will be mixing with the garlic, the onion, the oil. And a lot of these vegetables will give off water as they cook. Like your spinach is going to wilt and it's going to give off water, so it'll make it easier for you to stir. Now next, in small batches, we're going to put in I pre-washed and gently cut, which they're not full big pieces, they're just little, but they're not super small either. So you'll want to wilt your spinach in batches. So this would be good with a steak dinner, a chicken, salmon. You could do it over rice for like a risotto, and this could be the topping when it's wilted. Smells really good. Now it was full, so you see your spinach is wilting down as you do this. Now there's getting more and more moisture in this because the spinach is giving off its water as it wilts, so it's going to be easier to turn and mix all of your ingredients. So keep tossing it so that those mushrooms, the garlic, the pepper, the oil, all the seasonings get over the different parts of the spinach so that all the flavors mix together. There we go. We'll put the last bit of the spinach in. And don't be concerned about the amounts. If you want more of something or less of something, cooking's really to taste. So enjoy what your family likes. If you really like garlic, put some more of it in. Less mushrooms, okay. But it's a very easy saute and mix. So as this is cooking down, you're going to get ready because the next part we're going to put in is the balsamic vinegar, and that's going to get absorbed into the mixture, into the leaves, into the mushrooms. And then the last part will be that we add in the apple cider vinegar as well. So you can see this is already cooking down. Super easy, smells good when it's being made, which will help everybody's appetite be ready to go for dinner. And now this is the balsamic vinegar, just pour that around, and that flavor is going to go in to your mixture here. And the last thing is your apple cider vinegar. And that big pile of spinach that you started with and the big box of mushrooms, everything's cooking down and it's making a nice saute sauce that you'll be able to serve with it. And if you have a steak, you might want to even put this over it and let the sauces just go through your steak. Or you can put this on the side and use some of the juices from the bottom, because you'll see there's quite a bit of juice there from everything cooking down. It's your balsamic vinegar, the oils, the apple cider vinegar, and again, could do it over risotto, you could do it as a side dish, over a salad. And it's simple and quick, hearty meal. So it's the spinach mushroom saute. Enjoy!